Consider this question. It's given Meghna borrowed rupees 60,000 from two people under compound interest, compounded annually. The first person charged an interest at the rate of 7% and the second one at 11%. At the end of the year, 1 year, Meghna paid 5700 as the total interest to these two people. How much did she borrow from the first person? So, the total amount that was borrowed, it is 60,000, right? Now, I am splitting this 60,000 into two parts. Okay, from person 1, she has borrowed, let me say, some X rupees. So, from person 2, she would have borrowed 60,000 minus X, right? 60,000 is the total money, that was borrowed by Meghna. Meghna borrowed 60,000 from two people under compound interest. So that 60,000, the total amount that is borrowed. From person 1, let it be X rupees. From person 2, it is 60,000 minus X. Okay. Person 1, the rate of interest, it is 7% per annum. Person 2, the rate of interest, it is 11% per annum. Okay. The number of years when you are considering, it is 1. Okay. Now, what is for the first year you are considering, both the simple interest and compound interest is actually one and the same. Okay, because at the end of every year only, the principal changes. So taking that into account, I can see that if you are considering only 1 year span of time like indicated in the question, there is no difference between simple interest and compound interest. So let us find out the interest for that first year. It is nothing but P into number of years into R by 100. Similarly, here it will come as 60,000 minus X, the principal. Number of years will be 1. Rate of interest, it is 11 by 100. Okay, if you're going to add these two, that fetches the result. It is equal to 5700. Got it? So we can see that here, PNR by 100, the interest for the first person. For the second person, put together, it comes as 5700. Okay, so this is that formula that you have to consider. Okay, so if I'm going to simplify it, I can see that here it will be 7x plus 11 times 60,000 minus X. This will come here as 5700. I'm taking this 100 to the right hand side. It works like this. Okay. So upon further simplification, solving, I can now get the value for X. I have already done the calculation for you. This X will come here as 2,25,000. So as far as this question it is concerned, it is asked how much did she borrow from the first person. From the first person, she has borrowed some X rupees, and I have identified that here, that X, it comes as 2,25,000. So for this question, 2,25,000 is going to be my final answer. All right.